That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Henk. Some new acquisitions. They came in just half an hour ago. And some pretty nice ones. Let's start. First of all, this one came in. The Benchmade 755 or MPR, the mini pocket rocket. I've got this in a black coated version, and this is the stone washed version. So now I got both of them. Very nice smooth knife. Small but very sturdy. Titanium and G10 titanium pocket clip. Very solid build. Very grippy G10 but not aggressive. And the lock side is all titanium. And this sound I love very much. Very smooth little knife. Next, this is not my first and certainly not my last. Reate Hills. So I will be very brief about this one. I have two now of this version. The other one I showed last week was for a friend of mine. So, and this is for myself. Now a special one, also Reate Hills, but this is a one of two or a one of three. This was special anodized in a Spider anodization for Blade Show 2015. Very nice, subtle ano work. So the Spiderweb with gold and bronze. Gorgeous work from David Deng from Reate, and of course it is the Hills, so it is a very nice smooth knife. Very happy with this one. Another one, also two or three special made for Blade Show 2015. This is a blue Spider anodization with bronze. And this is the Reate Horizon C. Also two or three were made of this. Very subtle, very nice colors. And of course the lock side with gold anodization on the pocket clip. Very well done. Standoffs are also gold anodized. Very happy with these two Blade Show specials. Nice. And last, I think everybody knows this one. ZT Zero Tolerance, Rexford design, the 801 BLK. So the black coated version of the 801 Rexford. This one is since a few weeks discontinued. Very nice pocketable EDC knife, strongly built, nice lockup, well centered. Recommendation: if you can grab one, do it before they are hard to get and the price will go up of this one. So get one while you can. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.